everyone, welcome back to the kitchen. Today I have another keto friendly low carb option for you. This casserole is going to be amazing. This is a spinach, artichoke, and chicken casserole. It is inspired by everyone's favorite before dinner treat, spinach and artichoke dip, and I know you're gonna love it. I can't wait to share with you how this all comes together. We're gonna go over all of the ingredients for our artichoke, spinach, and chicken casserole. And this, guys, is keto friendly, it's low carb, and it tastes like spinach and artichoke dip. So if you guys love, go out to the restaurant and get yourself some spinach and artichoke dip. This casserole is going to be perfect for you. This is super easy to make. It uses ingredients you probably have on hand, and it starts with chicken. I have about 3 chicken breasts here. I just poached them in some water and cut them into cubes. 2 15-ounce cans of artichokes in brine, and these I got at Walmart, and they are the small artichokes, and it said 10 to 12 per can, and I just drained them, took them out of the can, and cut each one in half. If you get larger ones, you may want to quarter them. This is a 12-ounce bag of frozen spinach that I steamed in the microwave, and then I put into a colander and I squeezed out any excess liquid. You're going to want 2 cups of grated mozzarella cheese, 1 cup of grated Parmesan, 1 medium onion or 1 cup of diced onion, and then we have 1 full pound of cremini mushrooms that are sliced. We're going to saute these with the onion along with 2 to 3 cloves of garlic in this 2 tablespoons of butter, and then the saucy goodness is built with 1 8-ounce brick of cream cheese that you're going to soften, a half a cup of mayonnaise, and a half a cup of sour cream. Now, to season all of this up, you're going to want a teaspoon each of Italian seasoning, onion powder, garlic powder, and a half teaspoon each of salt, pepper, and cayenne pepper. Now, what I have in my dish here is a teaspoon of Italian seasoning and 2 teaspoons of my house seasoning that I recently made. I'll leave you a link down below and you can go check that out. If you don't like cayenne pepper or can't take the heat or are allergic, simply leave it out, no problem. So what I'm gonna do now off camera is I'm gonna go to the stove and I'm gonna saute my mushrooms, onions, garlic in the butter, and I'll be back and we'll start to build our casserole. All right, we finished sauteing off our mushrooms, onions, and garlic, and now I just have them setting off to the side to cool. And what you want to make sure is that your cream cheese is softened. So this has been sitting out, and we're just going to give it a stir. Pat a little bit with the wooden spoon just to get it nice and mixed up. That way, the next step will be a lot easier. So now we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna add in our sour cream. Our mayonnaise goes in. All right, so now just get your mayonnaise, sour cream, and cream cheese all blended together. We're gonna go ahead and add all of our spices. Salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, cayenne pepper, and Italian seasoning. We're going to add a half a cup of the grated Parmesan. The rest we're reserving for the topping. We're going to add half of our mozzarella cheese. Give that a good stir. So we're going to add our spinach and our artichokes and our chicken. But I'm going to stir the vegetables in first. And kind of give this a gentle turn. You don't really want to break up the artichokes too terribly much. We're going to add in our chicken.
You need a bigger bowl.
I don't need a bigger bowl. And just like that, we magically have a larger bowl.
That's better.
Yes, at least I can move everything now. And then the last thing you want to add is your mushroom mixture. And you want to wait until the end because you don't want this to be like screaming hot when you put it in there. Yes, it's steaming, but that's okay because we're just going to transfer this into a casserole and we're going to put it in an oven. So it's really all good. I think that looks incredible. All right. Get your casserole dish. Pour your mixture right on in there. Now we're going to go ahead and we're going to add back the remainder of our mozzarella cheese and our Parmesan cheese. So there goes the mozzarella. And then top it off with your Parmesan. Now this is going into a 325 degree oven for 25 to 35 minutes until the top is lightly browned and the casserole is bubbly. I'll be back when it's time to serve it up and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, we've just taken our spinach, artichoke, and chicken casserole out of the oven. It baked for just about a half an hour and it's perfectly beautiful and I cannot wait to dig into this. I'm gonna let it, you know, I always tell you guys, let this cool off 5 or 10 minutes before you serve it because nobody wants to scald the skin off the roof of their mouth, even though some people would say, I'll risk it. Really, just don't let them. Just don't let them because you know what's good for your family. So I'll be right back and we're gonna dig into this and I'm gonna fix you a plate and I can't wait to try. Well, there you have it. Our spinach, artichoke, and chicken casserole all ready to enjoy for dinner. I'm telling you right now, I had a sneaky taste and oh my goodness, this is amazing. If you love spinach and artichoke dip, you are going to love this dish. No joke, if you are doing keto or low carb diet right now, this is going to make you so happy. It's going to be filling, it's going to be so satisfying, and I know Rick can't wait to taste it. You ready?
Yep.
Now this is still a little bit hot, but you know, he's gonna risk it. I risked it. He can risk it. You like it?
That's amazing.
It's really, really good. You guys, it's just chock full of so many good, delicious things. There's no way it was gonna be bad. Now, if you don't like spinach and artichoke dip, well, of course, you're probably not gonna enjoy this. But I'm telling you what, when you start a different eating plan or path to a different kind of lifestyle, then you try and find different answers to satisfy those tastes, and this fits with what Rick and I are currently doing, and we just want to share it with you because if you're doing it too, we know you're going to love it. And sometimes it's hard. You can get tripped up on what do I really want to eat, what can I eat. I have so many things coming your way. I can't wait to share, and I hope you are just enjoying the heck out of it. So that is spinach and artichoke casserole with chicken. It's super easy. I really hope you give it a try, and if you like today's video, please consider giving me a thumbs up. And if you are new to my kitchen, I'm so glad you joined me. It's always a pleasure to welcome new friends. Please be sure and hit the subscribe button, and if, as always, you are a tried and true member of the Noreen's Kitchen family, please be sure and hit the bell notification button so that you get notified every time we upload a new video, because we don't want you to miss out on all the real food for real people, real easy recipes that we present all the time right here on our YouTube channel and straight from our kitchen. I hope you give this chicken, artichoke, and spinach casserole a try sometime soon, and I hope you love it. And until next time, I'll see ya.